Reference documentation and notes for installation. So I have collated a number of documentation here for you which will assist you in installing release 12.2.2 from scratch. The first one is our customized document. It's an installation guide which you will find it on shop.aclnz.com. So let's just go to that website and I will show you how to go about finding this particular document. So I will go to shop.aclnz.com and then I will go to this category called as apps DBA, and within that you will find a document called as MD120 release 12.2.2 Oracle eBusiness Suite installation. So simply click on that, and as you would see, this installation is completely done on VirtualBox within Oracle Linux 5.7 guest operating system. So you will find all the details and all the patches, including database patches, application tier patches, until you complete release 12.2.2 installation and post installation. So you can simply add it to the cart and follow the steps to purchase this document. So that's one extremely important resource. To have a quick view of this document, this is how it looks like. So as you could see, I have written it, and it consists of everything that you require to do your installation. So basically, what are the libraries required, the commands you got to have, and the kernel parameters you have got to search, and how it looks like when you run the command, what are the messages you receive it on the command prompt, and so on. So you will see all the details right over here. In fact, we will be using this document while I'm explaining you this course. So it will be kind of a handy tool for you if you go ahead and download it. Alright, so that's one resource. The second resource is you can get the complete details of all the exact software required for release 12.2.2 installation, including application and database tier mandatory patches to be applied on our website aclnz.com/blogs. So I will simply go to our website. So if you reach here aclnz.com, you can simply type here /blogs, and there all you've got to do it is simply search by 12.2.2 and hit the search button here, and then you can see the details right here. So this document, Oracle EBS 12.2.2 installation, documents to follow and patches to apply, it gives you details of all the documents that you can follow it, including the documents from Oracle support website and all other sources. Okay, so you can have a look at that. As you would see, there are details of exact patches to be applied, the application tier patches to be applied, and then it also lists down the post installation patches for release 12.2.2 upgrade. Okay, so that's one good document. Apart from that, in terms of the exact software, if you scroll down here, you will see something called as mandatory software requirement for installing release 12.2.0. So all you've got to do, basically you've got to start with 12.2.2 installation, and then you've got to move to 12.2.2. Okay, so starting from 12.2.0, moving to 12.2.2. So for 12.2.0, you require all these software, and likewise you can see another blog which lists down the software required for 12.2.2 upgrade. Alright, so let's go back to our presentation. Then the third resource is you can get a release 12.2 installation guide from docs.oracle.com. So let's go to this website. So I will simply type docs.oracle.com, and here you click on applications, and in applications click on the first one, application releases 11i and 12, and then click on the first one, release 12.2.2. or the second one I should say to be precise. And then click on documentation, and within documentation you can click on this first link, Oracle eBusiness Suite Installation Guide using Rapid Install. This is an extremely helpful resource. It contains a lot of documentation and helpful details for you to install eBusiness Suite using Rapid Install. So simply click on that and it's going to download a PDF file for you. Okay, now let's go back. Then you've got a lot of other documentation which can be downloaded from Oracle support website, but in order to access Oracle support website at support.oracle.com, you must have a valid customer service identifier, or it's also called a CSI number, to access this website. You can simply go log into this website and then you can type 12.2.2 and you will find a whole lot of resources and hits coming up, and you can browse them and use that for installation of this release. So these are kind of the most important documentation. Apart from that, you can simply Google release 12.2.2 and you will also find a number of other resources on third-party websites which you may want to refer.